First, we started with floating menu, then we covered grid layout, then we look at the draggable and drop destination API. Now we will be looking at the charts, or you can say the how you can add the visuals, or like let's say some graphical representation to your application. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the new episode of our series SwiftUI APIs and Modifiers. In this lesson, we are going to look at how you can randomize the data and how you can add some visuals to your application. So first we have a struct, and we have created a struct with an items where we have a name, count, and color ID. Then we have created an array in which we have analytic items. It could be any array that you want that you need to represent in your application. In my case, I have created analytic items and I have threads UI and I have different counts for it. The counts will be presented on the y-axis and the names would be on the x-axis. And we will see how I'm randomizing the count value later. So let's start. So here we have an analytic item array, then we have animated data array. Now this is the default array, analytic items, and this is the animated data array. And I will be populating my graphs with animated data array. It's vertically, we have for text, then we have graph, we have a bar mark, then we have a sector mark. So this is the first one is called bar mark, this is sector mark. In both the cases, we have started with chart, and in this chart we have passed animated data. Now this is a closure where we are like it will be traversing for each item. So first it will come for thread. Let's say initially thread is 15, so it will pass 15 in the y-axis and it will represent the 15th value. So this is how it will work. And then we have two sector marks in stack, and we have a button which is randomize data. So this is randomizing or creating a random value. So we are passing the items array and we are like calculating the random value from 1 to 20, as you can see here. So we are animating, like sometimes it will get 15, sometime like it would be in between 1 to 20, and it will return the new item. And with animation, I am using .isInout with a duration of 1 second. So it will take 1 second to animate with the new data. And so I'm updating animated data with time. Like let's say if whenever user press randomize data, or let's say you have some new analytics and you need to update on runtime, you can use this randomize function. So in my case, I have just presented as a randomize data. But let's say if you are updating the values on runtime, you can use this with animation.isInout and you can update the array. This way you can achieve this randomization and this visual appearance for your application. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorial.